So if you love petunias and you wonder why maybe your plant's dying and you don't know why, here's a simple tip. So you need to keep these pruned and deadheaded, in order for them to keep growing. If you don't, then the plant will say, okay, it's time to go to seed, and it will stop producing. So a simple trick, all you do, see a dead or the flowers that are dead, and you can either take some snips or you can actually just use your fingers, and you want to make sure you get the whole stem, not just the flower. And you just pinch it off, and that's it. And you just do that. I usually do it daily, and that keeps your petunias looking gorgeous. Here's another example, and the flower has actually fallen off, and you want to make sure you get these off because that is the seed pod. So you just want to snip those off at the base. And then see, we have another dead one here. So you just snip, get it out of there, and your petunias will just keep going. And then you can enjoy gorgeous petunias all summer long.